So I'm back out here working on the Gulbransen player piano, and we got some snow last night. Got a couple inches of snow. It's a good day to be out in the garage working, or in the shop working. So, but I haven't filmed anything in quite a while. I've just been what little bit I have done to it, I just haven't filmed. But this is the spring. Let's see, it's the hammer return spring rail, and there's of course 88 of these little springs. I had to take all the old ones off and then put new ones in, and then on the back side I've bent them over and compressed them into that slot there. I know it's hard to see without me doing it, but I've already done them all. And I put just a little drop of CA glue on each one after I bent it over and compressed it down into that slot. And that's the way I handled it. So anyway, I've got them all in. They've all got to be adjusted, but I've got to get the felt on the back first. There's a layer of felt that goes on the back of this before it's installed. So the way I'm working with that is using the hide glue. Again, that was on what was on it originally. Pulling this back, and I bought, I don't know if you can see it, but I bought an assortment of sizes of these little clamps right here, and I've got, I don't know how many, a bunch. And I got some little tiny ones like this, and then some 4-inch ones, and some 6-inch ones. So they're helpful when you're gluing stuff. So I'll grab a handful of them, lay them down here. Then I'm going to pull this back. The lighting may not be good for you, but yeah, pull it back to where it's stuck. I'm going to get some hide glue. And put, you know, 5-6 inches on there, I guess, whatever. Layer this down on there. And then I'll use these to hold it in place while it dries. There we go. And I'll move on down. Pull one of these off, probably. Back a little bit. Some more hide glue. I guess it's made out of horse hooves and no telling what. It smells like, I said the other day, it smells like dog food. But actually, dog food smells good compared to what this stuff smells like. Like, I would eat the dog food, you know. If I had to eat one or the other, I think I'd choose the dog food. But anyway, we're making progress. This is the action going back together. And I don't know if you can see or not. I also didn't film the dampers, or dampeners, whatever you call them, going on. But I've got all them rebuilt, and they're actually back on. So, and this, I'm just sitting here while I'm working on it. It's not attached, but here's our dampeners, or dampers. And, you know, the felts are glued on all of them. This is the ones for the bass strings. These are for the tenors and trebles. The springs are in here with new felts on all of this. These felts, I punched all these out with a punch. They're little round felts that glue in with hide glue. So you can tell it's kind of a tedious process, but we're getting there. So just thought I would document this, a little bit of this, and update where I was at on it.